Hello everyone, best wishes to all of us. I am Aziza from the Q and Optimization and Oxygen and Production Group, which is supervised by Pak Harry and his assistant. Now I will discuss Q Optimization Oxygen during the COVID-19 pandemic. The video that I will present contains an abstract introduction, objective, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Abstract. COVID-19 is a new disease that causes respiratory distress and pneumonia. This disease is caused by infection with severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. Optimizing the use of medical oxygen for COVID-19 patients is a workable solution. Bibliometric analysis was used to determine the development of oxygen supply during the COVID-19 pandemic using PhosViewer software. Data taken from the Scopus database with the keyword Q optimization of oxygen during the COVID-19 pandemic show that there were 358 publications over 40 years. This article provide an overview of oxygen supply trends during the COVID-19 pandemic and provide opportunities for oxygen availability in the future. Introduction. COVID-19 is a new disease that can cause respiratory distress and pneumonia. This is caused by infection with severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. Coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19 was first detected in the city of Wuhan, China in late 2019. Since then, 758 million people have been confirmed diagnosed with severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2 worldwide. As of the end of February 2023, 2,698,535 confirmed cases of COVID-19. PCR tests have been reported by the Swedish Public Health Authority. The COVID-19 virus can be transmitted through close human contact in the form of coughing or sneezing. Many countries have implemented mobility. Oxygen is needed by patients with the COVID-19 virus, especially patients in critical condition, considering that the COVID-19 virus is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. Unfortunately, this virus has not been eradicated and still exists throughout the world, so the COVID-19 pandemic is still continuing. The pandemic faced by the world today is very testing health system in various countries, especially LMIC, lower middle income countries. In addition to the large influx of patients to the hospital staff are required to be able to deal with new situations and find effective therapies to treat the new virus. During the pandemic, medical personnel have conducted vaccine trials to prevent the development of the COVID-19 virus. Vaccination shows significant development because it prevents hospitalization, death, and exposure to the COVID-19 virus. However, the efficacy of vaccines varies by type. Vaccine trials did not involve people who have weak immunity. Due to difference in vaccine efficacy levels and the non-involvement of people with weak immunity, concern and doubt began to arise to vaccinate in the community. Concern that occur in the community make hospital staff get many patients affected by the COVID-19 virus. For this reason, hospital staff must respond to COVID-19 patients by providing medical oxygen. Oxygen is needed by patients with the COVID-19 virus, especially patients in critical condition considering that the COVID-19 virus is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. Hospitalized COVID-19 patients need 14 until 43 cubic meters of oxygen per fortnight. But due to rising COVID-19 case, the lack of medical oxygen supply is becoming a new problem. Even in India, the lack of medical oxygen supply due to the pandemic result in the death of thousands of its citizens. Because of this problem, research on oxygen cylinder queues was carried out to determine the distribution of oxygen cylinders in hospital. Bibliometric analysis refers to quantitative analysis tools that use mathematical and statistical methods to produce a comprehensive view of a particular research field by analyzing the number of publications, authors, countries in regions, reference keywords, and other parameters of select publication during a given period. The method has been widely applied in various fields. This study used a bibliometric method that examined research on the optimization of oxygen cylinder queues during COVID-19 in 1983 until 2023. Currently, there is no publication of bibliometric articles on optimizing oxygen cylinder queues during COVID-19. The objective of our topic is map of the relationship between oxygen queues during the COVID-19 pandemic. Data processing using Excel and FastViewer. Research on the supply of oxygen cylinders during COVID-19. Experimental design. The following is for experimental design. The first thing we did was use a queue for oxygen cylinders during COVID-19. Secondly, we look for journals that discuss oxygen queues during COVID-19 from Scopus, especially ScienceDirect. The third, we collect data in Excel. The last, we create a bibliometric from a collection of data in Excel using the FastViewer application. Result and discussion about publication number of oxygen from 1983 until 2023. Total of 1983 until 2023, 358 journals related to the oxygen have been published in the last 41 years with 8 different types of documents. Of the 1983 publications, 232 are the most published articles, followed by conference papers and conference review, chapter book notes, short survey figure. One saw the number of oxygen publication from year to year. Year 2019 has the most publication with 28 publications. Result and discussion about top 10 most influential source title of oxygen. 160 source title collection top 10 in the figure. Based on the data, European Journal of Operational Research ranked first with a total of 20 publications, followed by Operation Research Series with a total of 19 publications. Top 10 intuition and countries with the most oxygen publication from 1983 to 2023. Out of the 10 countries, United States has the most publication with 107 journals, followed by China with 53 journals. Georgia Institute of Technology and the University of Tehran have been ranked first and second most productive institute with the highest number of publications, with 9 publications. Oxygen Co-occurrence Network. Cluster 1 is marked in red. The large red circle with lymph-node optimization type has 77 links. Total link strength 321 and 49 appearance. This term intersects closely with the term. Cluster 2 is marked in green. The large green circle with optimization terms has 95 links, a total link strength of 795 and 166 links. Cluster 3 is marked in blue. The large blue circle with Q theory has 91 links, a total strength of 505 links and 114 appearance. Cluster 4 is marked in yellow. The large yellow circle with result allocation term has 82 links, a total link strength of 323 and 55 occurrence. Cluster 5 is marked in purple. The large purple circle with schedule types has 84 links, total link strength 431 and 78 appearance. Concluding remarks. Based on bibliometric analysis of oxygen over 41 years. Based on bibliometric analysis of oxygen over 41 years, oxygen publication saw progress. Post-war analysis reveals an era of relationship between one network and another. This shows that oxygen, COVID-19, pandemic, and crisis are interesting topics and still have many opportunities to be published. Thank you. Maybe that's the explanation of the material in this video. Development because it prevents hospitalization of people with death and exposure to the COVID-19 virus. However, the efficacy began to rise to various by patient type. in the community. Trials did not involve people who have weak immunity. Due to difference in vaccine efficacy levels and the non